29. A Daughter's Letter. As morning's radiance awakened the world, the unspoken depths within me trembled, an earthquake of the soul. The page stood ready, a canvas of silence, inviting me to inscribe the hieroglyphs of my heart, to weave a tapestry of words that would hold the beauty and the ache. I couldn't wait for the workday to end. As the day's final light surrendered, I drove to the outskirts of town where, from my car, a refuge from the world, I watched the sun dip below a hill. With trembling hands and a heartbeat that threatened to escape my chest, I wrote in my journal. Monday, 24 July 2017, 5:25 p.m. Dear Mommy, I feel an overwhelming urge to call you Mommy, and I hope that's okay with you. After witnessing the powerful embrace in the quantum field, I'm realizing, perhaps for the first time in my life, how much I've missed you since forever. I long to connect with you, bond with you, and never let you go again. I yearn to know who you are, what your life's journey is all about. I ache to touch your face, see the reflection of myself in your eyes, get lost in your hands, and hear your heartbeat when you hold me tight. I have countless questions, so many whys. I want to search for you in this life. I want to know your name, birth date, residential address. Do I have brothers and sisters, uncles and aunts, grandparents? And yes, my father. Who is he? What happened between you two? I no longer blame you. I'm not pushing you away. I understand with my heart why you did what you did. I accept everything now. I'm at total peace. I want to integrate this acceptance into my innermost being, Mommy, and soak up everything that's ours, me in you and you in me, the oneness that we share, which nothing can ever take away. You are my Mommy. I missed you so much. I searched for you in places you were never meant to be. But now, Mommy, everything is different. I know we were connected all along. Our bond is complete. It lacks nothing. I feel like I've been living underwater my whole life, constantly rising to the surface to breathe. And suddenly you've lifted me out of the water and placed my feet on solid ground. Are you still alive, my Mommy, or have you crossed over? Will I ever physically hold you in my arms? Are you waiting for me to find you? Please, Mommy, send me a sign, a signal to let me know, beyond a shadow of a doubt, that you are. I was terrified to confront my deepest heartfelt emotions, having buried our separation so deep that even I couldn't find it. It took me 51 years to muster the courage to uncover this truth within myself. I hope and pray it's not too late, my Mommy, that there's still grace for me. I don't know what to say to you now, because I feel like you already know that I turned out fine. Smiley face. Thank you, Mommy, for the peace of mind. My spiritual search for you is over now. I have found you, and I shall never let you go again. The sun is setting. This day is surrendering. Tomorrow morning will bring a new canvas, another day for me to revel in my love for you. With love and longing, your daughter.